Just going to do a quick price action video for today and yesterday in one video, daily time frame. Be mindful of the high, middle, low of this daily fair value gap, and then this larger daily fair value gap. Be mindful of the low of it with the blue line. Nonetheless, yesterday, Monday's price action, we were trading at this daily volume imbalance, push price up into the daily fair value gap right there. And then 1 hour time frame, 1 hour fair value gap, institutional order flow entry drill, push price up, respected the high of the daily fair value gap with the bodies to push price back down into the 1 hour fair value gap, and then it rejected off of that 1 hour fair value gap to end New York session right there. 5 minute time frame, um, lows were taken out, expansion higher, break below market structure after respecting the daily fair value gap high. There's a 5 minute fair value gap in here that didn't mark up, but that's an entry right there. Push price down to the 1 hour for value gap. And then the 1 minute time frame is pretty, this is really relevant right here. This is the 1 minute first presented for value gap for Monday. Extend this out in time. 1 minute for value gap right there after breaking below market structure, confirming bearishness, institutional order flow entry drill, pretty much. Um, push price down. Okay. And then the first presented for value gap was used as resistance to push price down again. And then as you can see here, there's another fair value gap right here. And then, we make our way down. And then as we make our way down, there's a 1 minute fair value gap right there after tapping into the 1 hour fair value gap, push price higher, coming back down, respecting it to then end the day with the move to the upside. And there's a 1 minute fair value gap high, respected to push price up for the final leg of the PM session. And then today's price action was this drop right here on NASDAQ after tapping into the 50% of this larger daily fair value gap. And then so that would be right here. So this is what it pretty much happened. Buy side liquidity, 1 hour fair value gap. It tapped into the 1 hour fair value gap, taking out buy side liquidity for an institutional order flow entry drill, breaking below this 1 hour swing low, rejecting lower, taking out the sell side liquidity below pretty much Monday, Sunday price action, and then rejecting higher, which actually this is what it looks like for me. This is a 4 hour fair value gap right here, I believe. Okay, right. So this is a 4 hour fair value gap right here that I have marked up that when price tapped into it. Okay, so this 4 hour fair value gap price tapped into it, rejected, and then we push price down. And then be mindful of this 1 hour fair value gap and this 1 hour fair value gap here as well. These are inversion fair value gaps which is going to be relevant for price action. And the 15-minute time frame, there's a 15-minute, excuse me, 15-minute basically institutional order flow entry drill respected this 15-minute balance price range, and then boom. And then the 5-minute time frame, we have this collapse right here. We have again these 1 hour inversion fair value gaps used as resistance to push price down when we tap into this 5-minute city, and then we go lower. And then going into the 1 minute time frame, just real quick, buy side liquidity was grabbed, displacement, this larger daily fair value gap low, this blue line for this larger city, this larger daily fair value gap, was used as support for price on the 1 minute time frame when we took out buy side liquidity, 9:30 a.m. opening bell, displacement to the downside, tapping into that daily fair value gap low, coming back up. First presented fair value gap is used as resistance to push price a little bit down. There's a 1 minute balance price range right here, or inversion fair value. Well, yeah, it's a balance price range as well. 1 minute volume balance. Okay. And these were used as resistance to push price down. And then we had the nice collapse for the day.